Hello, my name is Julius, and thank you for watching episode 22 of Applicable Applications. In the last episode, we talked about ChatGPT and its mobile app and all the features that it offers. Today, we're going to be talking about another AI called Blackbox.ai, which is great for coders and software developers. Now, Blackbox AI offers an honest and a shocking amount of features to help enhance your coding experience. Some of the amazing capabilities that it has is code generation. So Blackbox AI can generate snippets of code based on whatever project you're working on, which can help you as a coder or a software developer by reducing the time spent writing different pieces of code and having to test them out. As the AI, if you tell it what you want and what you have, it can analyze the code that you have already and it can give you relevant suggestions, which can help make your job easier. It also has code completion. So Blackbox AI can offer you suggestions as you're working on your code, which can help speed up your process and reduce some of your errors when you're typing. When you're typing your code, I know I've done some coding before, and sometimes I'll run into problems where the solution was maybe just adding a semicolon at the end of the code. So it can catch those things for you and help you fix those, so you don't have to go through some of those errors of finding out where you went wrong. It also has a search engine that allows you to search for different pieces of code snippets. They have their own little database of popularly used code that it can search through for you to kind of get an idea of how to help you solve your coding problem. Also, you can engage with Blackbox AI like real time as you're coding. Ask it questions, and as it's watching you code, it can give you answers pertaining to what you're doing. It can help you debug code or even give you a step by step guide as you're working on your code. And as I mentioned before, since it's watching you, it can also help you fix errors, because it can, as it's watching you code, it can analyze what you're doing, make suggestions, and it can also find maybe issues that you've overlooked, and that can really help you save time when it comes to debugging or trying to figure out small problems that are in your code. Blackbox AI supports over 50 plus languages, making it very versatile for any developer who's working or using any language. And this wide range of support that Blackbox has can really, it really opens up a lot of options for developers, and it helps them, or it gives them the ability to use their preferred coding language. Um, Not to mention, they also have change tracking. So what this does is it as it's looking through your code, it tracks changes that are made in the project. So as you're going back to your project or as you're looking over it, you can see the modifications that have been made to your code. So you can see what you changed, and you can better understand as to why you were trying to make that change. And then you can decide, like having a second opinion, okay, should I continue with that? Or maybe I should change it? Or maybe I should get a second opinion on that, which is a really nice thing to have. Um, Blackbox AI also has the ability to integrate with some of your coding environments. They have an extension for VS Code, which is a code editor, and Blackbox AI can be integrated into that, which is really useful. Also considering that VS Code is one of the most popular code editors out there, by having this integration. And not to mention, this is a seamless one too. It feels like Blackbox is a part of VS Code. Um, by having access to all those features within your coding editor, significantly enhances your productivity and can reduce any struggles or problems that you might face. Speaking of extensions, Blackbox also has a Chrome extension as well, enabling you to access those features while browsing the web as well, which is a nice little feature to have as well. Being able to access it directly on your web page whenever you need it. Blackbox AI, it does have a pricing plan. It does have a free version, so if you want, you can use it for free. But if you feel like you need more, their plans start as low as 99 cents per week, and then you can go higher and higher depending on what you need. Like, for example, if you want unlimited autocomplete on your code, or if you want priority support, that would be something where you would have to go and get that paid plan. And not to mention, they also do have team plans. So if there are any teams working together and you want to use Blackbox in your profession, then they do have a payment plan for you as well. My name is Julius. Thank you for watching episode 22 of applicable applications, and I will talk to you guys next time.